Hi, good morning. Nick Kaiser with Mustache Approved Remodeling, back out here in Gilbert at our friends Leah and Tina's. We are working on their bathroom here. We are continuing on. We got, let's see here. So yesterday was drywall, so we did a nice drywall patch. We had to do some plumbing. We had to open that wall up there. There was some old towel bar holes that we patched up above the window. Right here we had an old paper holder there, and then we had some other holes here that needed some love, and over here as well. So today we're going to paint the whole bathroom, same colors, so we just wanted it all to blend in. We got a plate mirror going back in here, so these aren't as important because we're going to glue it right back to the wall. So that plate mirror is going to come all the way out over to here. So you can see the tile here. Now one thing I wanted to cover today was this clip system. So you can see these clips. Basically, this has a flat edge, if you can see there, that sits behind the tile. And so when you put a wedge on there, we have these wedges that have a little groove on them. So it's almost like a zip tie. And those actually go into this, and you use a pair of pliers. So when you're installing these clips, you put it in there, and then you put these on and you squeeze it, and it tightens out and it hits these ridges, and it makes it so this part's flat, because the back side is flat. When it goes in there, it makes this sit flat on the tile. So if this tile was in a little bit, it would pull it out to where it was perfectly flat. We do that on all our large format tile jobs. Now if you have a shower that has a subway tile or a small format, like let's say we set this whole shower in this hex tile, we wouldn't need to have those clips because it's unnecessary, because those are small tiles and they can bend over any humps or dips or anything like that. But when you got the large format tile, especially with the rectified edges, when the tile has a sharp edge to it right here, you can see any imperfection. If these corners stick out past here, it really sticks out because it'll be apparent because of the sharp edge. So it's really important to do this extra step. It does cost a little more to do that, but you can't make the tile any more flat than that without this system. See how it's perfectly flat everywhere. So that's how we do it when it comes to the tiling. Stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on the tile. I will show you what it looks like after we get the painting done, and the vanity's going in this week as well. We'll do the countertop templating and go from there. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.